In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order on Just Eat with Cash. This process can be quick and straightforward once you know the steps. Let's get started. First, open the Just Eat app or website and sign into your account. You will see the main interface which showcases popular restaurants in your area. Signing in is essential because it allows you to access your previous orders and saved addresses. If you don't have an account yet, I recommend creating one to make your experience smoother. You'll need your email and a password, and it only takes a moment. Once you're signed in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, enter your postcode and choose a restaurant. The postcode is crucial as it helps Just Eat show you the restaurants available in your delivery area. After you enter it, a list of restaurants will populate on your screen. Browse through the options and take your time to check the menus. Look out for any special offers or popular dishes that catch your eye. Selecting the right restaurant can enhance your meal experience, so choose one that you feel excited about. Now, add the items you want to order to your basket. You will see a simple interface where you can select your desired dishes. Click on each item you want and make sure to adjust any options like size or extras if necessary. You might also want to consider adding a drink or dessert to complete your meal. This step is important because it allows you to customize your order exactly how you like it. Once you've added everything, check your basket to ensure you have all the items you want before proceeding. Proceed to checkout. When you're satisfied with your selections, click the checkout button. This will take you to a summary page of your order. Here, you can review everything one last time before finalizing your purchase. It's a good habit to double-check your order to avoid any mistakes. You'll also see estimated delivery times and any applicable fees, which helps you know when to expect your food. On the payment screen, look for cash and select it as your payment method. This is a vital step because not all restaurants accept cash payments. If you see the cash option, you're in luck. Remember, if you don't see it listed, the restaurant may not accept cash, so consider trying a different one. Selecting your payment method is crucial, as it determines how you will pay the driver when your food arrives. Finally, place your order and pay the driver in cash when your food arrives. Once you confirm your order, you will receive a confirmation on screen. This lets you know that your order is on its way. When the driver arrives, have the cash ready and make sure to check that your order is complete before handing over the payment. This process is straightforward and helps avoid any confusion during delivery. A few things to keep in mind: cash payments are available only at selected restaurants. Just Eat also supports several other payment methods such as debit cards and PayPal, but make sure you are using cash if that is your choice. Additionally, remember that you cannot pay with cash if you check out as a guest. This means you must create an account, which is a quick process. Lastly, if you do not see the cash option, it's likely the restaurant you selected doesn't support cash payments. In that case, try another restaurant and you will find one that suits your needs. Enjoy your meal with Just Eat.